Welcome to a brand new video where we will uncover the secret of hot honey and how it can transform your dinner recipes into exciting, mouth-watering meals. We're going to explore this sweet and spicy culinary revelation through 5 delectable dishes, from an irresistible air fryer fried chicken with hot honey to a sizzling hot honey carrot flatbreads with basil chermoula. We've got a lineup guaranteed to make your taste buds dance. Get ready to spice up your kitchen routine with these amazing hot honey recipes, so buckle up and let's dive right in. Recipe 1. Air fryer fried chicken with hot honey. Our first recipe is the delicious air fryer fried chicken with hot honey. This dish is a delightful blend of crispy chicken with a sweet and spicy kick, thanks to the hot honey. The air fryer gives the chicken its perfect crispiness, while the hot honey adds a unique flavor that will make your taste buds dance with joy. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces, buttermilk, all-purpose flour, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper for the chicken. For the hot honey, you'll need honey, apple cider vinegar, and red pepper flakes. Now, let's get cooking. First, marinate the chicken in the buttermilk and spices for at least 1 hour. This step will ensure your chicken is juicy and flavorful. Next, dredge the chicken pieces in the flour mixture and shake off any excess. While the chicken is marinating, prepare the hot honey. In a small saucepan, combine the honey, vinegar, and red pepper flakes. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat and cook until it thickens into a syrup-like consistency. Now it's time to air fry the chicken. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the chicken pieces in the air fryer basket, making sure they are not touching. Cook the chicken for about 20 minutes, turning halfway through. The chicken should be golden brown and crispy. Once the chicken is cooked, drizzle the hot honey over the top. The heat from the chicken will make the honey even more runny, ensuring every nook and cranny is coated in the sweet and spicy glaze. And voila! Your air fryer fried chicken with hot honey is ready to savor. This dish is perfect for a weeknight dinner or a weekend feast. The combination of crispy chicken and hot honey is sure to be a hit with everyone at the table. Recipe 2. Hot honey halloumi sliders. Next up, we have a vegetarian delight, hot honey halloumi sliders. This recipe is a perfect medley of sweet, spicy, and savory flavors that's sure to elevate your taste buds to a whole new level. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need some fresh halloumi cheese, a beautiful briny cheese that holds its shape when grilled. Next up, a good quality hot honey to drizzle over our grilled halloumi. The hot honey not only brings a sweet and spicy tang to the sliders, but also complements the saltiness of the halloumi beautifully. You'll also need some mini brioche buns, lettuce, and a ripe tomato for that fresh crunch. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by preheating your grill or stovetop griddle. While it's heating up, slice your halloumi into thick pieces, making sure they're just the right size to fit your buns. Once your grill is nice and hot, place the halloumi slices on it. You'll want to grill them for about 2 minutes on each side until they're golden and slightly crispy. While your halloumi is grilling, let's prepare the buns. Slice your mini brioche buns in half and lightly toast them. This will give your sliders that extra bit of crunch. On the bottom half of each bun, place a piece of lettuce and a slice of ripe tomato. By now, your halloumi should be grilled to perfection. Place a piece of grilled halloumi on top of the tomato on each bun. Now for the final flavorful touch, drizzle a generous amount of hot honey over the halloumi, top with the other half of the bun, and voila, your scrumptious hot honey halloumi sliders are ready to be devoured. These sliders offer a perfect balance of flavors: the saltiness of the halloumi, the sweetness of the hot honey, and the freshness of the lettuce and tomato. They're a wonderful vegetarian option that's sure to impress at your next gathering. Enjoy. Recipe 3. Hot honey chicken thighs with lemon oregano potatoes. Our third recipe is a hearty meal, hot honey chicken thighs with lemon oregano potatoes. Let's get started with our ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 8 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, a 1/4 cup of hot honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 lemons, 4 cloves of minced garlic, a tablespoon of fresh oregano leaves, and a pound of small red potatoes. You'll also need salt and pepper to taste. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's warming up, let's prepare the chicken. Pat your thighs dry, then season them generously with salt and pepper. Heat up a large, preferably cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Add your chicken, skin side down, and cook until the skin is crispy and golden. This should take about 5 minutes. Once the skin is nicely browned, flip the chicken and cook for another 3 minutes. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside for now. In the same skillet, add your potatoes, chopped into 1-inch pieces, along with the minced garlic, olive oil, and juice from one of your lemons. Stir everything together. Then nestle your chicken thighs back into the skillet, skin side up. Drizzle the hot honey over the chicken and potatoes, then sprinkle with your fresh oregano leaves. Slide your skillet into the preheated oven and let it roast for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the potatoes are tender. Once it's done, squeeze the juice from your remaining lemon over the dish, and your hot honey chicken thighs with lemon oregano potatoes are ready to be served. This dish is a perfect balance of sweet and spicy, with the hot honey adding a delicious kick to the succulent chicken and the tangy herbaceous potatoes. The crispy skin on the chicken adds a delightful crunch, making this a dish that hits all the right notes. Enjoy your tasty hot honey chicken thighs with lemon oregano potatoes. Recipe 4. Roasted hot honey sweet potato salad. Next, we have a nutritious and delicious side dish, roasted hot honey sweet potato salad. A wonderful blend of sweet, spicy, and savory. This salad is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Let's start with the ingredients. You're going to need some sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces. And of course, we can't forget the star of the show, hot honey. The hot honey will add a delightful kick to the sweet potatoes, creating a splendid contrast of flavors. You'll also need some olive oil, salt, and pepper for roasting the sweet potatoes. Now, onto the salad part of this dish. You'll need some fresh mixed greens, which will add a refreshing crunch to our salad. For a pop of color and a burst of flavor, you'll also need some cherry tomatoes, and to tie it all together, a simple vinaigrette made with apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the sweet potatoes with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and arrange them on a baking sheet. Pop them in the oven and roast until they're tender and golden brown. This should take about 20 to 25 minutes. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, you can prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined. Once the sweet potatoes are done, let them cool slightly, then drizzle the hot honey over them. The heat from the sweet potatoes will help the honey spread and seep into every nook and cranny. To assemble the salad, lay a bed of mixed greens on a platter. Scatter the cherry tomatoes and hot honey roasted sweet potatoes on top. Drizzle the dressing over the salad, and there you have it. Your roasted hot honey sweet potato salad is ready to serve. This salad is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a symphony of flavors and textures in every bite. Enjoy! Recipe 5. Hot honey carrot flatbreads with basil chermoula. Last but not least, we have a unique recipe. Hot honey carrot flatbreads with basil chermoula. This is a delightful dish that combines the sweetness of honey, the spiciness of hot sauce, the earthiness of carrots, and the fresh, herby punch of basil chermoula. Let's start with the ingredients. For the flatbreads, you'll need whole wheat flour, salt, and warm water. For the topping, gather carrots, hot honey, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. And for the basil chermoula, you'll need fresh basil leaves, garlic, lemon zest, and juice, ground cumin, ground coriander, a pinch of salt, and olive oil. First, you'll prepare the flatbread dough. Combine the flour and salt, then gradually add in the warm water, kneading until a smooth dough forms. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's move on to the carrots. Slice them thinly, then toss them in a mixture of hot honey, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Roast them in the oven until they're tender and slightly caramelized. Meanwhile, you'll want to prepare the basil chermoula. In a food processor, combine the basil, garlic, lemon zest and juice, cumin, coriander, and salt. Blend until finely chopped, then slowly add in the olive oil until a sauce forms. When everything is ready, divide the dough into small balls and roll each one out into a thin circle. Cook each flatbread in a hot cast iron pan until golden and puffed up. To assemble, spread a generous amount of basil chermoula on each flatbread, then top with the roasted carrots. Drizzle some extra hot honey on top if you like, and there you have it. A delicious and unique meal that's sure to impress. So get your apron on, and let the magic of cooking transport you to a world of flavors. The combination of sweet, spicy, and savory elements in this dish creates a symphony of taste that will leave your taste buds dancing. Relish your hot honey carrot flatbreads with basil chermoula. So, there you have it, folks. 5 unique and delicious hot honey dinner recipes. From the crispiness of the air fryer fried chicken drizzled with hot honey to the vegetarian-friendly hot honey halloumi sliders, we've explored a variety of dishes that showcase the versatility of this sweet and spicy ingredient. Each recipe offers a unique twist on how to incorporate hot honey, proving that it's not just a condiment, but a flavor enhancer that elevates each dish to a whole new level. Our journey continued with the hot honey chicken thighs served with aromatic lemon oregano potatoes. The combination of savory chicken, tangy lemon, and the kick of hot honey creates a symphony of flavors that your taste buds will definitely appreciate. We also played around with salads, featuring the roasted hot honey sweet potato salad, a dish that redefines the concept of salads being boring. The sweetness of the roasted sweet potatoes paired with the spicy kick of hot honey results in a side dish that could easily steal the spotlight. Last, but certainly not least, we ventured into the world of flatbreads, with the hot honey carrot flatbreads topped with basil chermoula, a dish that perfectly balances sweet, spicy, and savory elements, proving that hot honey is indeed an ingredient worth having in your pantry. Throughout this culinary journey, we've seen how hot honey can transform dishes, adding a layer of complexity and depth to the flavors. Its versatility allows it to be used in a variety of recipes, from main courses to side dishes, and even on snacks. But don't just take our word for it. We encourage you to try these recipes at home, experiment with hot honey, and discover its potential to turn an ordinary dish into an extraordinary one. You might just find your new favorite ingredient. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey with hot honey. Don't forget to try these recipes at home and let us know your favorite one. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.